Many girls prefer using recipes to naturally lighten hair than using chemical preparations and treatments to lighten it, because the former is less expensive and safer than its chemical counterpart. But many hair length recipes are now for their unpleasant odor. Ingredients like onions, garlic, and eggs, which make girls use them, a great challenge that makes them hesitate allowed before applying them. So if you are one of those girls who forgot allowed before looking for recipes to lighten hair because of the fear of its unpleasant smell, here is a description of lightening hair without bad smells. Banana and honey recipe for hair lengthening. Matcha a ripe banana and apply it to the hair as a moisturizer, and you mix it with honey or milk and use them as a hair mask. Types help to lighten the hair. Besides apply recipes to lighten hair, it is important to follow some advice in daily life and hair care routine to get long hair quickly. It's helpful to trim your hair every 6 to 8 weeks and use natural dyes instead of synthetic to color the hair, and use a right tooth comb to prevent hair loss. It is preferable to avoid using hair dryers and styling irons, and to avoid pulling hair strongly when styling it, as well as it is important that you don't use a lot of chemicals on your hair, especially products containing thiamine, loose softlet, and also avoid daily hair washing.